Well, hey everyone, it's October already and I am standing in a different spot than I normally would be. I'll come back to why I'm here. But in terms of market stats and what's going on, as you can see from the stats that are posted in this email, sales are down and sale prices are down slightly. Now, what we're not seeing, even though they look like quite significant or drastic changes from last year, it's of course because we're comparing to the crazy COVID years. If you take away 2020 and 2021 where things were really quite busy, the sale numbers are actually still above average, which is really nice. And so despite all the interest rate changes which have really affected us, it's really quite incredible how resilient the market has been. There's definitely some slowdown, but the sale prices staying where they're at is actually a good indication of the market strength of Alberta, and I think that we're going to see some softening over the winter. I suspect that next year is going to be really quite busy once people start to get used to the new interest rate prices, or the new interest rate costs, I should say. But all in all, even though there's a little bit of a slowdown, it's exactly what we expected. It's exactly what the point of the interest rate increases were, and it's working out really quite well because it's just it's balancing things out. The condo market is still never saw a huge increase, so obviously it doesn't see quite the same decrease that the single family market did. And aside from that, what am I doing here? So I am in the Symphony Tower, and the Symphony Tower is a project that we actually took on to make a long story short. So this was a absolutely spectacular development where the developer actually overbuilt, got himself into some trouble, and the lender had to take it back. So we've got 33 units that are for sale left out of 143, and the lender just wants to get rid of them at like absolutely stunning prices that are well below replacement value. So we've actually taken it over. I'm standing in the penthouse here so you can see sort of what the view is, and it's going to be finished here this week. And what we're doing is we're going to be doing an event next week, and just to introduce people to the units and the investment potential as well, because they actually have really good rental rates if somebody's looking for those. And so that's going to be coming up next Thursday, October 13th. And yeah, so watch out in your inboxes for those invites. We hope to see you here. We'll have some refreshments and music, and we're actually doing a giveaway for a trip to JPL with Alexis for the weekend, so that should be really fun. So anyways, I hope you guys had a fantastic September, and hopefully we'll see you next week.